Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As I promised, I'm going to show you how to convert your rough paper back to a smooth paper. I already created these two rough surfaces as you can see here. Please watch my previous tutorial. You will get to know how I created these two rough surfaces on a smooth paper. I hope you can see these textures. Let me zoom in a little so that you can see the texture clearly. I will compare these two textures after shading each one of them. Let me shade this texture paper so that you can differentiate between both the shadings later. As you can see, I am shading very lightly but still getting this dark and textured shade. Let's do some shading on this smooth surface. We will compare these above two shades in reference with the smooth shade. So here comes the most important part. As you can see, this is also a textured surface, and now I am going to convert this textured paper into a smooth paper. Just keep in mind that we can only recover 80% of the smoothness through this technique. So grab a tissue paper or a soft cotton piece like this and blend the texture. You have to keep the pressure maximum or as much as possible. Okay, let's do the same shading on this blended texture. As you can see, we got a nice and smooth shade on this surface. Let's blend both the shadings so that we can compare both the textures. Here you can see the texture of paper in this shade. Let's blend the other one. And here we got a smooth shade with minimum texture. Let me make this clear that you can only convert a textured paper back to a smooth paper. I mean, this is the reverse process of my previous technique in which I made a rough paper from a smooth paper. I would recommend that you refer to my previous tutorial before watching this video. So I hope this technique will help you with this conversion process. Let me know in the comments what you think of this technique, and don't forget to mention your requests for upcoming videos. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials, life hacks, tips and tricks. Have a nice day.